Doctor, does this look normal?
It's that kind of switch. Look at the tiny relay. Look at that. So that's pretty straightforward. That switch failed. Because, like, you know, it doesn't click. That's it. That's all there is to it.
Strip it, jump it.
I'll put, like, some other kind of switch on the end of it so I can test it.
You got a toggle. Not around.
Yeah. I use this one for right now.
Power switch, yeah, it'll work. Here, check that out.
So I got it off. Plug in power to it. What in the actual... Not how I intended to turn it on, but...
Moogie will fit in frame.
Nah, Moogie won't fit in frame. Not at this close. Don't matter. Wretched Scourge.
Oh, you gotta... Okay. Oh, cool. Oh, here's this.
Which end do you want?
190, I guess. There goes nothing.
Don't turn on the 1138 part.
It's dead anyway, so I'm not gonna fuck with it.
It's got little hands, little claws. Big fat poopy hands puppet show. So turned off, everything works. Apparently it's you know, bypassed. And turn it on and let's see what this thing does.
Oh, it's a booster. I now know what this thing needs. So to fix this properly, all we have to do is replace this switch. Get rid of my little temporary switch that we used for testing and, you know, install the right one. No big deal.
I got a new one here, and you can see it actually toggles like it's supposed to. And it's the right switch, so they're the same. Boom, there you go. Looks like a professional did it. Naturally, but a professional did not do it. So we'll just test it real quick. Oh, look at that. Magically, it's all good. Good enough HVAC. Good enough HVAC. Doesn't really apply to this, does it? I'm confusing the YouTube algorithm by doing HVAC videos and electronics videos at the same time, like it doesn't know what to do. The subscriber count is going down. I mean, it's still going up, but its rate of going up is slowed down to the point that it's almost going down. YouTube is just unsubscribing people, and I can't do anything about it. So I just have to deal. You know, we don't pay to play here. We're not part of the little Soviet ratchet of YouTube, so fuck it. Whatever, man. That's how we fixed the EarthQuaker.